Om Namah Shivaya. Sex rules. Golden rules for sex. How to do a perfect sex. Rules without rules. Everything have a rules. Without rules, it should not be completed. It's apply for sex also. Complete sexual intercourse and incomplete sexual intercourse. Complete sexual intercourse is like a course completion degree certificate. Complete intercourse. The husband should have completed 21 years. The wife should have completed 16 years. During the sexual intercourse time, both husband and wife body should be transparent without have any dresses or innerwear. Both should have same desire and both should have same soul and both should have same organism. If there is any difference in the desire, soul and organism, it should not be a complete sex or perfect sex. In this complete sex, baby should have very healthy, embryo become very strong and strength. Baby can overcome any disease easily. Incomplete sex. Incomplete sex means both husband and wife doing a sexual intercourse to satisfy one and other person, or any other person is a incomplete sex. And repeated sexual intercourse during day and night, which leads to many diseases and it should not be treated. Child abusing for sexual intercourse is a biggest sin and illegal. Thank you.